Today I'm going to show you how to install some self-closing hinges.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.
Napoleon, like anyone can even know that.
Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Today I'm going to show you how to install some self-closing hinges. This is the door from my garage into the house, and it's kind of annoying. Sometimes I'll go through here and I get a little bit lazy. I don't close the door all the way, and we have one of our dogs that likes to run, and if I leave that door open, the dog hits the road. Now we got to chase him down. It's funny because he doesn't want to move any other time, but anyway, I hit up the favorite online internet instant delivery place, and I got myself a set of self-closing door hinges. These were about $20. There's the information on the box, but just you're gonna have to research the ones that you need here. I'll show you here on the door how to figure that out. First thing you want to do is figure out what size your hinges are. There's 3.5, 4-inch. That's like the common ones, and then you have square and rounded ones. So get your tape and you measure them. These are the 3.5s. And then you compare what they have available, pick out the set that you like, and then it's pretty straightforward. We're going to just remove one hinge at a time and install these, and we'll hope that I did my measurement correct, and then we'll see how it works. The thing I'm concerned about is that when I have my garage door open, I kind of get a draft that comes through here, pushes this door open, but we'll see. There's an adjustment on them. This is what I got. I got a set of 2. You can buy just one. It might work for your situation, but I figured 2 is the way to go. They should be adjustable. This one actually comes with hardware. That's kind of nice. And I'm imagining that's going to be instructions. So I'll open all this up and take a peek before we get started. I've never done this before, so thanks for joining me on this journey. Okay, so there are some instructions here, and I guess we'll figure it out. It says we have to adjust the spring torque after installation with the door closed. So I'm hoping that our holes just line up. That would be great. I think most hinges are set up exactly the same. I'm going to pull, probably pull the bottom one off first. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Let's get over there and get started pulling the old hinges off. I also we have small screws. These are like machine screws, probably for like a steel door or a steel door frame, and then the longer wood screws. So pretty nice little setup here. I found a piece of wood to put under the door to kind of hold it up, so when I take this off, it doesn't, you know, collapse down this way. I guess we'll start on the bottom, and we'll start taking out some screws. We'll take out 2 on each side first. You could reuse your old hardware if you want. All right, now we just have the middle one on the door and the middle one on the frame. Okay, let's cross our fingers that it doesn't go sideways on us here. All right, now let me get the replacement and we'll see if it lines up. We're looking pretty good here. The holes line up. I'm going to drive the middle one in, hopefully. Ah, there goes the door. Yeah, not everything goes perfect, even on YouTube. All right, I'm gonna get it back on that board and we'll get the rest of the screws in. Now, if you're lucky at this point, your door will close. I think we have a little bit of a alignment issue with this door. Now this is an old door. wasn't the best to begin with. You can see we got pretty good clearance at the top, but at the bottom we don't. I can snug it closed down there, but not the best. Looks like we're flush here. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to hit this corner down here with the belt sander a little bit. I think that's the only place where it seems like it's hanging up, right there. Yeah, you can see this door's not in the best of shape. So if, oh, look at my greasy handprints, I'll clean that too. So if you have a newer door, you're probably not going to have this problem, but once I close it, you can see where all the issues are right there. So I'll get the belt sander out. I'm going to sand a little bit off the door. You could also, if you wanted to, you could take a chisel and clean the hinge area in here, sink that in a little bit. But if you're not dealing with an old beat up door that's been kicked and abused like this one, it's probably not going to be a problem. And then after that, then we got to get into adjusting the spring tension. There we go, door looks a little bit better. A little bit of cleaning with super clean. Thank you, degreaser. Not perfect, but looks better. And there's our adjustment. Much better. So let's see if we can figure out this spring tension adjustment. Oh, dryer's done. I guess what you're supposed to do is turn this. There you go, you can feel the spring tension, and then insert one of these in there. Well, let me try to set you up down here, and we'll do it down there. Okay, so what we should do is turn this. I can feel the spring. Well, I can feel it on the top one. I can't feel it much on this one. May have to get a little bit more going here. There we go. And insert the pin into the hole here. I might go one more on this one. Just get a little bit of extra spring tension going. Let's see, where is the hole? There we go. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing on the top, and we'll see how it feels. All right, there you can see on the top one, same thing I did on the bottom. Insert the hex key, so make sure when you install these springs that you have the hex key side on the top. And you can see the spring tension that thing has. So I could add more if I wanted to. And ladies are invited too. And door is open. Door is closed. Let's do it from the other side. All right, here we go. Pretty good. I might actually add one more notch on one of them, the top or the bottom. I think you're supposed to have them equal. I'll read the instructions again real quick and make sure I have them equal. So there you can see the holes in here. And what I did is I put the Allen wrench in it. And as it sits when you install it, there's no tension. So I turned it till there was, you could just start to feel the spring tension. And then I counted the holes after that. So I went 2 holes on the top, 2 holes on the bottom. They're both equal. I need to clean this side of the door too. And it's closing pretty smoothly. I'm liking it. Well, if I didn't have to bust out that beastie here, it would be a pretty easy and quick job, but I really like the results. Not quite a full swing. There we go. Yep, see I got the air blowing through here, but that'll keep the dog from popping in here, and probably should lubricate that thing anyway. But for under $20. I can't beat it. There you have it, how to install some self-closing hinges. You probably already knew how to do that, but if you didn't, there it is. And it's a nice little convenience thing, you know, first world problems, all that, but now I ain't got to worry about remembering to close the door behind myself. Things you should have learned when you were a kid, but you know, we all make our mistakes here and there. But all right, if you're liking my content, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.